I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon.
Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So you know it's been a while now. It's been freaking so long since I recorded a video. But I'm here, even though it's Sunday and I'm cooking me some Sunday dinner, you know. But I'm here, ready to go to record this video. Cause guess what? It's influencer time, honey. Yes, it's influencer time. So I received another influencer Voxbox. Like, I can't remember really how many influencer Voxboxes I received thus far, but it's a bit hard. Anyway, y'all can see all the back of my throat when I deep through. Sorry. But anyway, this time, the influencer Voxbox, I received this a small one. I'm shocked that I received like this tiny little small one. It's pretty small, pretty. This ain't as cute as the swab one. The swab one was really cuter. So this is the box. This is the Dazzle Voxbox I received in the mail from influencer. So let's begin. I'm gonna unbox this. You know I always unboxing this shit. So when I can open this shit up, probably. Oh shit! This is the time when you need this. Wait, we're gonna do another. Oh shit. Oh. So, as I open the box, I see 3 items that came inside the box. They look like full-size products. So, this is the Dazzle Voxbox. And we're going to start with the back of this card. This cute little card right here. That's my, like... First item I received was a Clear Up Professional Jazzing Semi-Permanent and Temporary Hair Color. The retail price is $6.49, 3 ounce. Jazzing Shiny Sheer Shade Spice of natural colored, permed, and relaxed hair with temporary, without heat, or semi-permanent with heat result. The ammonia and peroxide free colors give you the freedom to change things up whenever you like. So that's the first product I'm gonna pull out. Oh, so this is the Clara Jazzing Semi-Permanent Hair Dye, and the color I received was Racy Wine, and that is the number 60. Well, how I'm going to use this, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I may get a blonde wig, a 360 wig, or full length wig, and maybe dye it the same color, or I'm going to give it away. So, to my sister... Yeah, to my sister, Brittany. Yes, Brittany, I might give this away to you if you want to use this, okay? Don't harass me. Just saying. Or Mom. But Mommy, she's used black hair dye. She don't use red and colors and stuff like that. But I remember I used to do it. But I mean, I like to buy my hair already dyed and everything. But either I keep this or I give this away. I'm sure Brittany will like this maybe. So next item I received in my Dazzle Voxbox is the Clara Professional Eye Dry Keratin Rescue Split and Repair. The retail price is $9.99. It's 5.1 ounce. Eye Dry Keratin Rescue Split and Repair is a lightweight finished cream formulated with panthenol. It leaves dry, damaged hair smooth and frizz-free all the way to the ends. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps into palms. Rub hands together and apply to damp hair beginning at the ends, working upwards to mid-shaft and avoiding roots. Twist hair strands for more defined curls. Do not rinse. Can be used to refresh or moisturize ends as needed. I guess it's a full-size product right here. Oh, say massage into damp hair. Comb through, do not rinse, style as usual. Pretty good. I could use this on my natural hair. They never said it's good. I guess it would use on natural hair, right? Did they say? Just say split ends, right? They said define curls, I guess. But anyhow, I'm gonna use this on my natural hair. Last but not least, my last product I received in my Dazzle Voxbox is the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. The retail price is $5.99 for 5.5 ounce and $7.99 for 14 ounces. Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Cream Oil combines the ultimate triple blend of coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter to deliver nourishing extended hydration. This new formula also contains gentle exfoliants to help remove dead, dry skin cells that cause skin to look flaky or ashy. Discover the ultimate way to help prevent visibly dry skin from coming back all day. Dermatologist tested non-greasy 24-hour moisturization. I won't be using this. I'm gonna give this away to my boyfriend because really he's so freaking ashy. Yes, boo, I'm talking about you. Yes, you're ashy. He's ashy. When I say ashy, ashy. Not ashy, ashy. Babe, this is for you. So, I love you though. But hey, this is going out to you. So, yeah. I know you'll be excited to use this to clean up that ashy ass. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. So, cupcakes, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again to my next video. I promise I will record more videos. Try to. But I've been so busy working and saving and doing all the other things and bullshit, ray, cool. But I'm gonna get back on track. But anyway, thanks for watching, cupcakes. Bye.
Tell the paparazzi